You see, the amount of money that you have right now, it doesn't matter. But what matters is how you invest it. Now, listen, let's take it from this angle. Right now, the amount of money that you have in your wallet or account is not such a big money that can sustain your dream life, that can actually sponsor you for the rest of your life. But it is a money that you can put to use that will bring something, and that thing can sponsor the lifestyle that they want to live. So how then do you invest this money? Ladies and gentlemen, how to invest this money is not about you putting it into crypto. It's not about you putting into real estate investment. It's not about you putting into forex trading or whatsoever. Now come closer. Let me share something with you. The best way right now that you can put this money to use from experience and from the lessons that I've learned from others so far is to invest this money into yourself. How do you do that? The best way you can do this is to learn a skill. There are tons of skills out there, but I want you to just pick one skill. It can be sales, it can be marketing, it can be copywriting, it can be video editing, it can be graphic designing. Just one skill. That's what I'm interested in. Just pick one skill. Make sure you learn this skill. Invest this money into learning this skill. In other words, you are investing the money into yourself. You are using the money to learn something for yourself. And trust me, this pays the best and the highest dividend ever. Do not be afraid to put that money, buy that book, and start reading that book. The book that is actually geared towards the profession or the skill set that you want to learn. Go ahead and buy that book. Learn that book, read it, learn something from the book, and start applying that thing in your field. And trust me, a whole lot is going to change for you. The best ROI, return on investment, is going to come from the small money that you pick and invested it into yourself by learning a skill. This skill set is going to help you in the long run. So that money that you have in your account that is sitting there, do not think that it's going to just multiply like that, but rather invest it into yourself. And using the skill set that you've learned, try to put that skill set to use, because the money is in the action that you are going to take based on what you know. It doesn't matter what you know. If you don't put it to work, it's not going to bring out anything. Trust me, it's not going to bring out anything. So you are required to put whatever skill set that you're going to learn, you are required to put that particular skill set to work, and the results will amaze you. If you are going to do this, let me know in the comment section. Just type invest in yourself. Just type in the comment section invest in yourself and let me know. And that shows that you are going to do this right away. And let me just take 30 seconds of your time. If you are new to this channel, then this is Serene. And on this channel, I share tips or I provide content ranging from productivity to making money online. And if that's something that you are really interested in or you want to learn about, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel and become part of this family. And if you like the videos, go ahead, just hit the like button on the video and also share with others, right? So that's it. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bless up.